Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is August 31st, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's resize, maximize this quarterly chart and see what we see here. The Russell is still green. It's still above an yearly R1. It cannot break that yearly R2 from what it looks like. And if it can't do that, it can't make all-time highs. That's what I'm seeing here. We have a huge supply, I guess, over here in this market and all, and it doesn't want to get above that level. That's what it's being very tough to get above here. These guys still selling every time this thing gets up here and all. That's what I see. And although it did make some good headways this past week, as we will see as we go down, but it's still not quite there yet. And let's go down to this monthly chart and see what we see there. On the monthly chart, as we can see, the Russell did just like all the other ones did. They came down below the 10, came back above the 10, but it still is red at this time. But that means that we are still in a bull market. We just got a red hammer forming near the top. And this thing, as you know, in the Russell might get into its old sideways pattern and all that we know it can do. Boom, 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 boom. But it's going to be up here at the top doing a sideways pattern. So be very mindful of your trading plan, your trading strategies that you're actually looking at to use here on the Russell at this time. And no trade recommendation. Pay attention to your plan, your strategies. But that's what I see here. Let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there on the weekly chart. As we can see on the weekly chart, we did try to get up into that supply a little bit, and we pulled back just a little bit. So we got to kind of like wait and see what happens here come next week. The Russell has been trying to actually get up here and break these highs. It has to see if it can break these highs, and trying to go higher. But it just haven't been able to get above that supply from a couple of years ago. That's almost where that supply is at. So, but that's what I see here. We are forming a hammer here at the top. This could end up turning into an evening star. We did have a bearish looking pattern over here on the weekly chart. We did the confirmation of that. It just happened with one day. So boom, it was down and then it's been screaming back up. But we up here again. We need to see what's going to happen up here again. So pay attention to your trading plans and your trading strategies where we're back at the top. And it did push down a little bit already and all. So, but let's go ahead and go down to the daily noise and see what we see there and wrap this on up. This daily noise, again, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On that first Monday, this thing popped up and wasn't able to actually get back up there close to that, back near that high that it had made actually on Monday. Every time this week, the last 2 days, Thursday and Friday, when it tried to go up there, it hasn't been able to break that. And that's the Russell. The Russell, like I said, the Russell can get where it might get into a sideways pattern up here at the top, and that can go on for the rest of the year. So the Russell is a very tricky one to trade. So be careful, be mindful of your strategies and what you're doing here when you're trading the Russell. And that's it. That's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Have a happy Labor Day, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.